My wife cheated on me and we get separated after around 5-6 months. She even get married. But I can't forget the past. Obviously, I don't have any contact with her, but I can't focus on my life or even...
Did you divorce her?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the problem? You can't get over her after she cheated on you and she got married to another man and you're unable to move on with your life? Get a life, my friend. You can't be a real man when someone deals with you in such a fashion. She was taking you as a doormat, cheating on you, tarnishing your honor and your reputation, stabbing you in the back. What kind of a man would still think positively of such, I don't want to say the word on a family show. This is not a woman of honor, and you're still thinking of her? You have to readjust your manhood, your jealousy, and your Islam, akhi. Fear Allah Azza wa Jal and totally forget everything about this evil woman who, if you were still married to, would have dragged you to hellfire. May Allah protect us.